Did you know that 7 out of 10 people who get a new credit card actually end up losing money with it? Fees, interest, overspending, it's like the banks are setting traps everywhere. But here's the shocking part. The same banks that profit off the majority are actually paying thousands of dollars to the smartest cardholders. And the best part? Right now in 2025, there are brand new hacks, deals, and loopholes that most people have no idea about. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn your credit card into a cash machine step by step. Credit cards are not evil, they're tools. The banks designed them to make money off people who don't pay on time. But if you pay on time and play the game differently, you make money off them instead. Let me give you a real example. A friend of mine used his credit cards not for shopping, but for strategy. By the end of last year, he had taken 3 free international trips, cashed out over $2,000 in bonuses, and never paid a single dollar in interest. That's the mindset we're going to build for you today. The first method is cashback rewards. If you spend $800 a month on groceries, using a 5% cashback card earns you nearly $500 a year for free. Stack that with 2 other cards, and you're suddenly pocketing $1,200 without lifting a finger. Pro card hackers use different cards for different categories. Grocery card, gas card, online shopping card. If you just switch how you pay without spending extra, you can literally create a new income stream. The second method is Sign-up bonuses. Banks are desperate for new card holders. This week alone, I've seen offers like $200 cashback for spending $500 in 3 months. One of my subscribers signed up for 2 cards, met the spending requirements by paying rent and utilities through them, and earned $600 in bonuses in under 90 days. That's a new laptop free. But don't fall into the trap of spending on junk just to chase bonuses. Spend on things you already buy, and the money is yours. Points into profits. Travel points can equal free flights and free hotels. 50,000 points can be worth $750 in travel. Some people flip these points into gift cards and resell them for cash. The banks hate this, but it's 100% legal. Then there's the zero interest loan hack. 0% APR for 12 to 18 months is basically free money. Smart entrepreneurs use this as startup capital. One of my clients stocked up on inventory for his online store using a 0% APR card. He sold the products, reinvested, and paid it off all before interest kicked in. His profit, $4,500 without touching a bank loan. But this only works if you're disciplined. Miss one payment and the banks get you. Another method is using cards for side hustles. Imagine running a YouTube ad campaign for $1,000. You earn subscribers, sales, and $50 cashback. That's banks paying you to build your business. Seasonal promotions are also powerful. Right now, festive season promos are running. Amazon, Walmart, and Flipkart are offering 10% instant cashback on certain cards. Combine that with regular cashback, and you save twice. For example, buying a $1,000 laptop could give you a $100 card discount, $50 cashback, and $30 coupon savings. That's $180 saved instantly. Then there's credit score. Every point on your credit score saves you money. With a 680 score, your car loan may cost $400 a month. With a 750 score, it could drop to $330 a month. That's $840 a year saved just from using your cards wisely. But here's the catch. The only way this works is if you never carry a balance. Interest kills everything. Automate payments, use reminders, and never pay late. I had a viewer who racked up $2,000 in interest because he forgot to pay on time. That's exactly how the banks win. Don't let them. Now imagine stacking all these hacks together. A $500 Sign-Up bonus, $600 cashback, $750 travel points, $300 seasonal promos, and $500 saved from a... That's $2,650 in 1 year without extra spending. And that's exactly how people turn cards into a second paycheck. So, which hack are you going to try first? Cashback, Sign-Up bonuses, or the zero-interest loan trick? Drop your answer in the comments because I'll be replying to the first 100 people personally. If this video opened your eyes, smash that like button, subscribe for weekly money hacks, and share this with someone you know is buried in card debt because they need this today.